Today we're riding the last part of TET Belgium. Look at all those chickens! It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're gonna ride the last part of TET Belgium. We're here in Kortrijk. We've been riding for about 2 hours already. It's 20 before 10 in the morning. It's a really moody, misty day, and we hope it's not gonna be too muddy to ride the TET. And also we're curious because the TET Belgium has changed recently. There's been an update and many people say there's almost no off-road and there's only asphalt and all this and that. But I don't really believe it actually. I think a lot of people hear it and then spread it around but don't actually ride it. So I have downloaded the most recent GPX file on my Osmond app, and my dad is gonna use the same one as we used before, and then we're gonna see the difference. There's probably gonna be some changes, but I don't think there's gonna be no off-road. It wouldn't be called the TET if it was no off-road, so yeah, let's just check it out. The track is already different. My dad's GPS track says it's on it. I'm not on it. So. Not 1 minute after we started the TET track, we came across this. The road is blocked and my dad's GPX track says it's that way, so that's probably why it changed already. Ouais, c'est cool, merci. Ja. Ça va. Ja, dan is weer aan het inzoomen en uitzoomen. This is the first track that my GPX file says do not take, while it's still possible to do it because there's no sign that says you cannot do this. Yeah. Wet grass, slick wet grass. komt altijd een rookvlaag uit je als je in het water rijdt. Let's take a little break.
Ik moet zeggen, deze is al gemakkelijker. Buiten dat vlak. Buiten dat vlak. Dat was natuurlijk vervelend. Verdwist. Ja.
Ja, echt goed track on. Left and right are not safety options. Alles oké? Ja. Yes.
Dat is maar de eerste vraag.
Oké. Enfin. Ja. That's the first bigger fall that I've had. I'm okay, but it was a fall. Ja. Ja. So first the wheel wasn't there, so we put it on this side because there was no getting it out, and this way you can just pick it up. Alright. Nu nog omdraaien ook. Alright, everything's okay. Let's move on. So for the people that think TET Belgium has no off-road, you're wrong. Ik wel een beetje een schrik gepakt nu. Het is gewoon echt wel voorzichtig in deze soort dingen. Zeker met dat weer nu is dat allemaal zo modderig en slakkerig. Opposite way. My dad's GPS track says to go right, and mine said to go left. So we're first gonna go right, and then we're gonna see if we come across a path that we cannot ride. The fog is clearing, so we've got a really special view right here. There's still a bit fog, but we can now see above us and there's just blue skies. cemetery called Flanders Fields. There's a lot of Flanders Fields, and they're all cemeteries for people that died in the First World War. It's a really famous Flemish thing. This is a really big one. That's what they're made for. Alright, we have made it. We have ridden TET Belgium. We're at France. That's France. So yes, we've done TET Belgium in 4 days. 4 different trips. Of course, we lost a lot of time with every day going back to the point that we ended last time. So yeah, it's possible in 3 days, I think. The update of the TET, well, I don't really understand, to be honest, because we rode mostly the track before the update, and we didn't see any private property or any tracks that were illegal to ride on. There was one track that led up to a private domain, but that was just once. So I think the people that did the update, I don't know how they did it, but it's like they cut off a certain area of the track and then just connected it to another, I don't know. So it's not like there are no off-road tracks anymore, but I think it's way less now. So if you're thinking about riding the TET, you should do it as soon as possible, because the next update will only keep getting more extreme with the cutting off off-road tracks. So yeah, and I think that's everywhere. In Europe especially, that's a problem. So just buy a motorcycle and go. We decided to just ride to the sea, the ocean. It's not really an ocean. The North Sea, Northern Sea. I don't know.
North Sea.
We couldn't resist coming here, just to sit here for a little bit. But now The TET is done, the video is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and now guess this movie quote. Then again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end.